Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have numbers in adjacent cells. Select the first blank cell where the total goes. Press Alt plus equals to insert auto sum or type equals SUM, then drag to select the range. Once the range highlights, press Enter to calculate. Make sure to include only numeric cells. If labels or blanks appear, adjust the selection. This starts the calculation immediately and prevents wrong references, so you get a reliable total without extra steps. Once the initial SUM is in place, refine the range by dragging the blue handles or editing inside the formula bar. You can type a specific range like A1, A10 for precision. Use Shift with arrow keys to expand selection quickly and press F4 to toggle absolute references when you need to copy formulas. Make sure cells are numbers not text, otherwise the SUM ignores them. If a value is missing, update it and watch the total recalculate immediately. You finish by copying the sum formula across or down to cover other columns, using Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, or dragging the fill handle. For conditional needs, swap to SUMIF or SumProduct to include rules. If the total reads 0 or seems wrong, convert text numbers to numeric via value or text to columns, and check for hidden rows or filters excluding data. Make sure calculation mode is set to automatic so totals update as you edit values.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.